What's up, y'all? Just thought I'd make a quick video on how I got my quick release anchor set up on my kayak. I bought the buoy, rope, and anchor from Walmart. And how I got it set up is on one end of the line, you have your anchor. What you do is release until you got your desired length. And make sure you got a slack wrap. And you'll put your line underneath and over one of the legs and pull it tight. On the other end of the rope, I have a knot here to keep it there, keep the rope from unwinding. And a foot from that, I have my buoy. This will float. Both of these will be in the water at all times. About 8 to 10 feet from that is where I have it going through my anchor trolley and onto this cleat I mounted on the H rail. And if you did have an emergency, you just unwind it and it'll float away and you're free to go and get away safely away from them scary idiot drivers.
Danger!